the watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you good news and bad news of crypto. My name is Manish. And today, by seeing our title, you would have understand what I am trying to cover today. Uh, the the crypto market is on uh, bearish today, and it's down as from past 1 week. Luna is one of a few cryptos which is higher, while Bitcoin and other sites are down. Gain from a brief rally following a Federal Reserve's meeting earlier this week, where it aimed a slide in a global market. Crypto market took a tumble in early European hours as a financial regulator in the US and UK took measures to curb growing inflation concerns earlier this week. Bit followed a side in a global technology stock, failing nearly $1,000 in Asian hours on Friday. Sentiment was detained after the Bank of England opted to end the asset purchase program on Thursday, following Wednesday decisions from the US Federal Reserve to taper its bond buying program. Asian stock index fall with Japan's Nikkei 2225 losing 1.79 and the Shanghai SE Composite dropping 1.16 on Friday, while the Nasdaq Composite Index fall 2.47% Thursday. The Luna token associated with Terra, a high-speed blockchain, was one of the few cryptocurrency to post gain with a 6% increase over 24 hours. Luna rose to high $67 Thursday before retreating to $64 on Friday. Cryptocurrencies and the traditional markets are trading down today in an initial response. Let me make it a bit bigger. Yeah. Cryptocurrencies and the traditional markets are trading down today in an initial response to a various central bank around the world cutting back on a banned purchase other stimuli introduced at the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, said board rate. Investors will return to crypto market when the appetite for the risk pickups, he said. With the interest rate increased, investors would tend to be more favorable to a traditional investments ahead of crypto. However, with the higher ROI, the digital cryptocurrencies and DeFi offers, the nascent assets class may win in the long run. Luna has remained in an untrend since November, following a commonly proposal to burn tokens that pushed price all-time high of $78. They have since mirrored a drop in the broader crypto market. Technical indicators shows the strength of Luna. It is trending above its 21 days exponential moving average, a tool used by traders to determine price trends based on the historic price, while the relative strength index RSI, a momentum indicator that measures the magnitude of a price change, remain at a favorable level of $53.3. RSI residings over 70 suggest an assets to overbought and may be set to decline, while reading under 30 indicate the opposite. Solana taken also arose, adding 3% and were the only other large cap cryptocurrency in the green. Bitcoin fall 3.3%, following a rejections from the 49,200 level on Thursday, while earlier failed 3.82% to $3,380 over the past 24 hours. Despite the move, funding level on exchange, the fee paid by traders to borrow money from exchange to place a bigger bet remained positive for a Bitcoin. Data from analytical tool Glassnode showed, implying traders are still placing bet on the upside. Token associated to L Elrond, Mina, and XDC networks were the biggest losers among all coins, with the market capitalizations above 1 billion. Data from a coin market cap showed. Token EGLD, MINA, and XDC have lost 14%, 7%, and 12% in the past day, respectively. A standout among altcoin was YFI, the governance token of Ethereum-based decentralized finance, which is DeFi project Yearn Finance. YFI token jumps 18% on Friday after the developer announced the completions of a $7.5 million buyback from 282.4 tokens from the open market. The move is part of plan change in the project token strategy over the next few months. Yearn, like other decentralized finance project, relies on a smart contract for a financial service like lending, trading, paying out interest to a token holders, and was one of the so-called blue chip DeFi token in 2020. So guys, the market is really going down from past 1 week, and we are hoping that it will be recovered by next week. By the time it's good time to buy, it's a crypto sales year in sale is going on. Whichever altcoin is your favorite is the right time to buy it. Though some of the DeFi cryptocurrencies shows some strengthen, and they are trending high in past couple of days. And that's all for the news today. And moving to our how to sections, in that let me cover how to set up use any swap. Because any swap, for any swap, there are lots of clarifications is coming to us in our Telegram group and in our YouTube channel. So thought to cover some important FAQ on how to set up and use Uniswap. If you are using MetaMask, be aware that unless you are using Ethereum, any swap exchange, you will need to add a custom RPC for the network that you wish to use it. When you click on the network you wish to use in the exchange, the network which you have to select is Fusion, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, or Phantom. If you have incorrect network address selected in your MetaMask, there'll be a pop-up window telling you that the correct network settings have to be for your desired exchange. So how to set up any swap on the Fusion network? For the Fusion network, the correct network settings are this. So how you can configure this? You have to go to MetaMask, log into your MetaMask, and when you log into MetaMask, go to network and add network. So when you click on add network, you have to fill up all these informations which is mentioned down here. uh these are some important FAQ which I just wanted to share with you guys, because there are lots of clarifications coming in our channel and in a Telegram group for any swap. Can I use my Trust wallet or other Ethereum wallet to connect to Uniswap? For Uniswap on the Fusion network, the address are the same on they are on Ethereum, but the chain ID is different. This means that you can use an Ethereum wallet. You can either connect it using a Ledger or MetaMask, but with a new RPC settings that we have just shown you above. You will, of course, not see your Ethereum asset, but only your Fusion assets. Yeah. So when you connect to your Fusion network, you will only see the token which is from Fusion asset. How can I send FSN to my wallet, and what wallet address should I use? You can send FSN to your Fusion public address of your wallet. Make sure they are native FSN, since the few exchanges still have some ERC20 FSN. There will not be a pair in your Fusion wallet if you send them there. So, but you will see them if you switch to Ethereum network. You will not lose them if you sent it to a wrong type of FSN to your wallet. Okay. So which exchange support a native FSN? Most exchanges now support native FSN, and the ERC20 version of SN will be phased out soon. You can see which exchange support which FSN at FS token official website. I have bridged my asset into a platform, but I can't unlock them. Unlocking required a little few FSN gas. If you have a just bridge and asset to the platforms, you will have enough airdrop to you to cover the first unlocking. When I try to connect my ledger, I just see loading, but nothing happened. It is stuck. Please disconnect your ledger, hit F5 to refresh the page, and reconnect your ledger again. You might have to do this a couple of times. In general, do not refresh the screen when your ledger is connected. So these are the things which you have to take note. My transactions keep showing in as pending in MetaMask. I can't stop it. There is a useful guide to stop free up the pending transaction using node network clear pending transactions. There is a you will also get it a video in a YouTube. It involves sending a little extra gas to nonce of the offending transaction. I have done everything, but I still can't connect my wallet. So these are some questions which is coming from our subscriber followers also. So thought all these questions are already listed down here. So thought to share with you guys, and you will be more clear how to configure the FSN network in your MetaMask wallet. You can check that you have set up your MetaMask properly, or that your ledger works by creating a new Fusion wallet using wallet.net and connect any swap to this. If this does not work, then your problem is not related to any swap. Please try this. If you are using a ledger, then ensure that you are updated the firmware using ledger live, and the display is set to no, and the contract data is set to yes. If you are using MetaMask, then check the network setting that you are using to custom Fusion RPC setting. So these are some FAQ, guys, and let me share the Uni Swap interface today. Okay, so this is how the Uniswap interface looks like. In the first, you will see the dashboard. If you are holding any tokens, you will show here. You can connect your MetaMask or any other wallet by clicking on the connect to wallet. And this is router. Okay, you can buy a pair of of tokens in order to use these routers for your staking, or to use for a bridge. Then there's something called bridge. So bridge is the interface. If you want to buy a different network tokens, you can use bridge to buy a different network tokens. And you need not to be on a Binance Smart Chain network to buy the BNB or Binance Smart Chain coin. You can use the bridge to buy it. Then we have a farm. This farm is, again, you have to do a staking, and then there'll be a APR and API will be you will be getting a returns as a token per as a reward. So this is Explorer, guys. Explorer is something like Binance Smart Chain Network Explorer or ESC Scan, where you can see all your transactions and all other details related to transactions what you have done it. So this is all about Uniswap. So let me share to you how the market looks like today. Uh, let's see the fear and greed index. The market is fear, is extreme fear. From past 1 week, the market shows like this, and it's been a while. We have not seen a neutral or a green kind of index from past couple of weeks. So but nothing to worry, guys. If you have invested on a premium coin or any coin, you just hodl is the game. You have to hold it for some time till the market is up, and then once the market is up, you can play around with your tokens. So that's all I have it today. Wayne is busy with some project and other assignments, so today I'm alone covering. Someday when I'm busy, he used to cover. So yeah, that's the power of two people. If two partners are managing the channel, so there'll not be any gap. Either one of us will cover for that particular day. So that's all I have it, guys. See you tomorrow. And if you have any further questions, do shoot out to our Telegram channel. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.